Yan. Yan, sundan mo si Borbe. Video na yan.
Who's out? Taton!
Yan. Naka-video na yan.
Di nasa hirap na short! It's long.
Video yan.
Inbound. Di nasa Dupax. Competition kaya sa Dupax. Dupax. Naghahanap ako sa Dupax. Anyway, nasa Gilbert. Gilbert ako sa mga. Gilbert again. Wood. Di nasa Kuya Shake. Kuya Shake. Black Force. Zero.
Nice!
Nakuha ni jersey number 21. Jersey number 21 may text naman. Jersey number 21 na second machine. Good. Ay, ganito. Step online. Jersey number 15, it's good. I make you a shake. We are there for 3 of good. And that's why we need jersey number 0. We have to get an A. We had an A. Jersey number 9. And then we got jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. Side is good. Yeah. Si Kuya Jun. Late na po si Kuya Jun sa inyo. Jersey number 7. Bukas sinasay Kuya Red. Nasa Kuya Jojo. Lefty shot. Wood. Bye. Foul na tinawag. Referee jersey number 21. First personal foul. Warning for penalty yellow. Jersey number 0 is. It's gone. Pinasay jersey number 25, pinasay jersey number 21. Jersey number 21, left-hand shot, no good. Kuya Jojo. Kuya Jojo, pinasay. Nobody. Substitution left, jersey number 3 in. Jersey number 4 out. In. Who's out? Jersey number 58, Garnell. And jersey number 8, Kuya. This game is brought to you by John Motors. John Motors Supply. John Motors Supply. Jersey number 19 for Sheree. Nakikita mo yung mga boom, I feel it, sir. Condition to ano? Condition na. Oy, yan na sila Joseph. Pinasa nila Jojo pumupang. Pinasa nila yeah, jersey number 21, pinasay ko dyan mo, pinasay ko ang kanyang pakahead ko. Pinasay jersey number 3. Pinasay nila Joseph, number 31. Nila Joseph. Foul number 21. Second personal foul, penalty blue. Ay, dalawa ka. PHB. Ay, PHA. First free throw is good. Now, Kuya Jun. Second shot. Yes, sir. Substitution left. Kuya Jun in. Jersey number 21 out. And nakabalik ako yung shoes. Si Kuya Jun. Oh, good. Ayan, Kuya Jerome. Kuya Jerome, saksak, pinasa ni Kuya June. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa ni Jersey number 3, down to 5 seconds. Pinit Betpar, pero nakuha niyo. Nakuha na ulit, pero nakuha ni Steve. Nakautos na foul number 2. Ramos, first personal foul, penalty. Gilbert, 2 shots. $15-12, naman ang tatlo. Ang blue, laban sa iya. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Jersey number 20 with June Montenegro. Managed to lead. Number 4, Fortune, good ang mga Kuya Jojo. Kuya Jojo. Pinasa ni Kuya Jojo sa kilo. Nagtalapasa sa Jersey number 15 na kumuso ng naganabahan, pero wala. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Ayan, Jersey number 19. Pinasa ni Kuya Joseph. Kuya Joseph, pinasa sa Jersey number 0. By score for 2. Timeout! Yellow! 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Nakalabis ating unang quarter. 15-14 ang blue. Okay, sorry, gawin pala kayo. Sorry, bakit? Bakit?
Announcement lang. Yung suot natin at sa bench na hindi sa ring. Pagka-coach, paano ka lang yung nalaro, nagpapagalit dyan. Sa ring.
Camera.
Sa bench na yan, sa bench na tayo. Ang lagi na sa second half.
Okay. Dapat ikaw.